Premium, high load capacity bike rack ideal for e-bikes and heavy mountain bikes. Integrated folding bike loading ramp. Fits 1.25 and 2 receivers. Fast and effortless tool-free installation. Quickly attach and secure bikes with torque-limiting knobs and ratcheting wheel straps. Fully foldable design with transport wheels and a carry handle. Easy trunk access with smart foot pedal tilt. Lock bikes to the rack and rack to the receiver, locks included. Load capacity, 130 pounds, 65 pounds per bike. Optional Thule fat bike wheel strap kit to fit longer wheelbases and tires up to 4.7, sold separately. The Thule EasyFold XT2 is a fully foldable, compact, and easy-to-use hitch-mounted bike rack for all types of bikes. Large distance between wheel holders enabling transport of sturdy bikes with large wheelbases. Folded dimensions 31 by 12 by 26 in. Top reviews from the United States. Does the job very well. Rack arrived in a timely fashion. After having watching a detailed video review, I was already familiar with the rack and had it unpacked, attached to my hitch receiver, and bike loaded in 30 minutes. Most impressed with the convenient keyed locking system that locks the rack to the hitch, and locks the grab arm to my bike frame. Took a few minutes to initially decide where I wanted the grab arm to go for bike number 1 and for bike number 2. Once that is set up, placing 1 or 2 bikes on there will be much faster. Love the wheels on the unit and the stored ramp. Only minus is that I have to remove the rack from the hitch to fit my car in the garage as it's too long otherwise. If it folded back to the car more, that would not be the case. Overall very pleased with the features, ease of use and look of this unit. Very sturdy and no sway movement when driving. Highly recommend.